Hello beautiful ladies, it's Arena here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a good day so far. A couple of new things that that arrived in the mail from Colourpop, so I'm so excited to show you all everything. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my BB cream here, and I have really bad under eye bags. I haven't been sleeping all too well lately. So I'm gonna try to cover them, and then I might actually have makeup from yesterday, so we'll see. Okay, gonna apply like a thin layer here. If you guys can notice the difference, I did go ahead and dye my hair back to my original, a dark color. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes real quick. I am so excited because I got the Bambi eyelashes in the mail and I wore them yesterday for like the first time. And they're beautiful. I just love them. Completely in love with them. And use the Wine and Only from Colourpop. I'm gonna create a really nice kind of like an evening kind of look. Color right there, just beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like line the inner corner of my eye. Honestly, I love Colourpop. It's like an affordable brand, and like the formulation is so creamy, it's just like a really good creamy foundation of burgundy color. It's like this dark deep burgundy. I'm gonna go in with it here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and put in some foundation. I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Hydration Stick Foundation. I did go to the mountains yesterday and I feel like my skin got really sunburned, so this hydration stick is gonna be amazing to help with, you know, the sunburn that I think I got. And I'm gonna apply that in my neck here. And yeah, this here, I did go ahead and dye my hair, so I don't think so. It's like dark brown. I'm going to be dyeing it again because I wanted it to be not this dark. Actually not this dark, but a little bit lighter than this. So I'm going to be dyeing it again. I'm going to be using a new product. It's my Morphe ink felt tip liquid liner, and I just got this in the mail. This one helps me get like a way better line than the other one does, maybe because there's like it's a little bit like, I don't know, I think the handle is a little bit better for my hands, so I'm really excited about that. So let me go ahead and, you know, go ahead and, do you guys see how close that is to, like, you can barely tell that it's there. My hand feels a lot sturdier too. Oh no, I messed up my eyeliner again. Well, that's not a surprise. Using my Bambi eyelashes here soon. I love these lashes. So I have the Snow White here. I'm gonna be using this color today. We'll see how it looks with the whole look. I'm sure it might look a little bit too much, but it's gonna look like it's a little bit much. I'm applying this with my fingers. I think it'll be better with my fingers. Just a little bit here. But I am worried it's gonna look like just so red everywhere because of, you know, because this color is, it's called Mauve Sunrise. And so, yeah, I'm worried it might look like it's a little much. This, but it's the Bare Minerals all over face color. But this is a bronzer, so I'm not sure why it says all over face color. I feel like this is gonna be a lot of bronzer. We'll see. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I definitely think... Wait, what? Sorry, you guys. I got confused with like bronzer and contour. Oh my god. I guess I'll just use it as contour too, since I just started it. This is crazy. This is crazy, you guys. I feel like I'm so off. And if I am off, it could be because I just haven't been sleeping. So... okay. And then just, you know, try to blend this out here. Oh my god, I need to salvage this. I don't understand. I really didn't need this much contour. I mean bronzer. Oh my god, why do I keep thinking it's like... I'm gonna have to go in with my face powder and try to salvage this makeup look. I have to like lighten it up with this powder too, I think. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to work on this a little bit more. Okay, so now I have my Snow White color here. I love this packaging. I actually ordered two because I wanted to use one of these, and then the other one I kind of wanted to just collect and not really touch it at all. Yeah. And for the record, I really love this color. It reminds me of Snow White. It's like a candy apple red. We'll just leave it as is for now. I got these three eyeliners from Colourpop from the Bambi collection. But the thing is, like, when I use the eyeliners, they all went like back in. Like the pencil is there, but it went inside. I don't know if I got like a defective eyeliner, but like they went back in, like two of them went back inside, and then I sharpened them. At first I thought they were mechanical because they just went back inside like the eyeliner pocket thing. I mean the eyeliner packaging.
It's so easy to hold their eyeliners. Like, they feel so comfortable. So that's like a plus, you know?
Uh-oh. Oh no! I got the eyeliner on my eyelashes. You guys, I don't know what's going on with me today. Oh yeah, like this one. See, it came out. Now it came out. But like as soon as I press it, oh well, I guess it's staying out now.
Okay, good. That's beautiful. That matches like the eyeshadow color that I put in there.
But like if I press it like directly, oh yeah, you can see it's going in, right? Like, so.
Oh no. I'm not, oh my god.
Okay, how's that? I love these lashes. Okay. And they're so comfortable. This one I'm gonna bring it in here. Kind of try to hold my fake lashes to my eyelid so that they can stick. Comfortable, they feel great. It doesn't feel like they're poking my eye. It doesn't feel like they're pulling or tugging on my eyelid. Okay everyone, so this is the final makeup look. I did go ahead and try to blend my makeup a little bit more, but this is pretty much what there is.